unorthodox and ambiguous music producer I've heard in such a long time. So why don't you introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about yourself, and then we will proceed from there.
Well, thank you for the intro. My name is Steel Live. Originally from San Francisco. Now I'm living in Los Angeles. My focus is production in the global Afro-Latin space.
Mm-hmm.
I also am a musician. I've been playing percussion at a very young age,
Mm-hmm.
and I play guitar, and now I'm even adopting the harp.
Mm-hmm.
So my journey as a musician is never ending. I always try to challenge myself, and I'm happy to be here sharing this moment.
So there's a technique